The videos on this channel are purely for educational purposes. In this series, which is named as I for investment, a lot of times the names of various companies would be quoted, and these companies are listed in the stock markets. However, it should be noted that the names which are quoted in the videos and which are displayed on this channel are only for educational purposes, and those companies should not be considered as an investment advice. The creator might be having those companies in the investment portfolio or might not be. Viewers are advised to consult a registered financial advisor before making any decision.
Welcome to your own channel, Romance with Finance, a brand of Financial Freedom Hub. On this channel, you get the videos and information related to personal finance. In the previous videos, we understood how we can find out the quality companies which are listed in the stock markets just by analyzing our daily routine and by analyzing the goods that we use on a daily basis. Let's keep the momentum rolling and explore some more companies which are listed in the Indian stock markets by analyzing our daily routine.
No water, no life. No blue, no green.
Energy powers the world, but what powers energy itself? In many cases, the answer is water. Recently, we discussed the energy and electricity sector. However, there is one element without which energy or electricity or even agriculture cannot exist, and that is water.
Thousands have lived without love. Not one without water.
Water is not just essential for life, it is also used to generate electricity through hydropower, making it an important part of the energy ecosystem. And recently we have discussed about the energy and electricity in our previous videos. Water is one of the most important input for agriculture and crop production. Plants require water continuously throughout their life cycle and in large quantities. Adequate water supply directly influences key processes such as photosynthesis, respiration, and the absorption of mineral nutrients. The monsoon and rainfall season plays a crucial role in agricultural productivity. When crops receive sufficient waters, farmers can successfully harvest and sell their produce in the market. Whether it is herbs, cereals, fruits, or vegetables, every crop depends on water for proper growth and harvesting. Now, if we introspect and apply common sense, we realize that water is fundamental to life, agriculture, and industry. Since every sector depends on water in some way or the other, companies involved in water management, water treatment, and irrigation business could become important long-term investments. In the Indian stock markets, companies like Vatek Vibhag, Iron Exchange India, Thermex Limited, and Avanti Feeds Limited are the connected companies to water treatment, water infrastructure, aquaculture, or environmental solutions theme businesses. These companies operate in different parts of the water ecosystem, making the water sector an interesting theme for the long-term investors. As we could figure out a lot of companies by analyzing our lifestyle and our daily routine, so the question arises in which company we should invest by purchasing the stocks. Because it can happen that one company is performing positively and another company might perform negatively due to numerous reasons. Therefore, in order to eliminate that confusion, we as an investor can buy the entire index or the index funds. Similarly, as we bought the basket of the fruits to get all type of nutritions, index fund is like a basket of all the good stocks which is traded on the stock exchange similar to the individual stocks. Hope this video was useful to you and you have learned something today. If yes, then
If you love to read books, then the same content of this series, I for Investment, is available in a readable format. The name of the book is I for Investment, Applying Common Sense While Nurturing Your Portfolio of Stocks. Click on the below link and grab your copy today.